that you can color your fondant is by combining colors to get a marbled effect. It makes a really cool, elegant effect that looks amazing with your cutouts. I'm actually going to be using 2 colors for this demonstration. You could use more than that if you want. When you're choosing your colors though, you want to make sure that you're choosing contrasting colors to get the best effect. So I already have some kneaded fondant here, and we're going to roll this out into equal length logs. And now I'm going to put these together, and I'm just going to twist them and fold them. And then I'm going to repeat that, twist it and fold. You don't want to do this more than 2 or 3 times because then your color is going to mix too much. Now I'm just going to take this and roll it in a ball. Okay, so now we're ready to roll out our fondant and see what we have. I'm just going to use my dusting pouch with a little bit of cornstarch to cover the surface so the fondant doesn't stick. And now I'm going to take my fondant roller. I've got the purple guide rings, which are going to help me achieve an 1/8 of an inch thickness as I roll the fondant out. So now I'm ready to do a cutout. I'm just going to take my dusting pouch and dust a little bit on top. That's going to help make a neater cutout. I'm just going to brush this lightly just so it doesn't really show. And I'm going to start by doing a cutout. And what's cool about this effect is with your cutouts, you have such random colors throughout that every cutout is going to look unique. I'm actually going to remove the excess fondant here rather than picking out my cutouts. That way I'm not going to disturb the shape at all. And I'm going to take my cookie and we're actually going to put our cutouts on the cookie. To apply the cutouts, I'm going to use a little bit of piping gel. I'm actually using a flat decorating brush. This works good for applying the piping gel. You want to make sure that it's a food safe brush. And as you can see, the uniqueness of each cutout gives it a great visual interest. And that's how you create a marbled effect.